Today I am reviewing TAYMANSO Extra Strong Trash Bags 4 to 6 gallon size. They are biodegradable and 100% compostable. There are 4 rolls of trash bags with 30 bags per roll and a sticky hook included in the box. This sticky hook is designed to go through this hole in the back of the box. It allows the box to be hung up on the wall. Then dispensing bags is easy. On the front of the box, there is a perforated area to rip down so that the bags can be dispensed easily. All the rolls can remain in the box while it's in use. The sticky hook will fit just like this. Make sure you wait some time so the sticker can adhere. As long as the hole is poked through, the hook will hold the box nicely. Now there's a convenient way to store and retrieve trash bags. The bags seem very durable. The end is well sealed. These bags are a perfect size for my small recycle bin. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is a neat, biodegradable set of wall-mountable trash bags. The storage makes it very convenient. And in the end, the bags are also compostable. I'm happy with these trash bags.